An outfit change is a quick way to make your Instagram reel more exciting. In this video, I'm going to show you how to create a trending outfit transition. Hi, I'm Ida, a corporate storyteller and online educator based in Vancouver, Canada. Are you an entrepreneur ready to take your business to the next level? But when it comes to Reels, you don't know how you can use them to grow your business? Well, I've created the Reels Blueprint, which is going to guide you through the gear and the strategy behind using Reels to grow your business. Download my free Reels Blueprint now. So to show you how to do the clothing transitions, I have 3 different jackets here that I'm going to be transitioning between. For the transition, I can do any kind of movement that I can cut between. So I can have, let's say for example, I can move my head, I can snap my fingers, I can raise my shoulders. Let's see something new that I haven't done before. Let's try for this one. Yeah, let's just like raise my shoulders. And so I'm gonna have my first clip. Don't mind me, I'm wearing pajama pants. As you can tell, I'm just gonna put my shirt down here so you can't notice my pajama pants. And so to make this easier on me, I'm gonna set up the timer. So the timer is up here in the corner. I'm just gonna click the timer, I'm gonna set the timer, and I'm gonna film this clip. There, finish that one. And now let's put on my first jacket. There we go. I'm gonna set the timer again. And then at the end of the timer, I'm just gonna redo that same motion. Perfect. And then I did the next shoulder as well. So let's rotate the next jacket. Oh wait, I'm still filming. Let's stop that. Let's set the timer again. And let's do the next shoulder. So I rotated from this shoulder to that shoulder. Wait, let's do that again. There we go. Stop that. It's okay that I didn't stop it because I'm going to be trimming all these clips. So I have my last one. Set the timer. And I'm just going to walk out. There we go. Now, the trick is in editing these. So it's in putting them all together. So I'm going to go into next. And I'm going to go to edit clips. I can zoom in by pinching with my fingers. So I'm going to zoom in and I want to cut this one where my shoulder goes up. So let's press play. 1 second, why isn't this playing? Sometimes it takes a while to load. So if it does that, I just typically go to like forward and then back again. There it is. So if it gets stuck, just play around until you can get to it. Okay, so now let's see. So now I'm going to go here to where I lift my shoulder and I'm going to click on that clip and then move that indicator to the start where my shoulder was up. There we go. And now I'm going to do the same thing with my shoulder up and I'm going to start this clip from where my shoulder is up. Now I have to just watch it to see if it works. So it's a little awkward. You can see in this one, it has a bit of like a delay between it. It doesn't seem so seamless. So it's because I just need to cut it even tighter. So I'm going to pinch my fingers to zoom in. I'm just going to make it, there we go. Let's try that. Okay, so this one, as I go up there, I'm going to trim that one. This was the really long clip. So I'm just going to maybe zoom out a bit, get it to the point where I want it, zoom out, move that indicator line in, and now I can zoom in and just adjust it. There we go. So I want to pause it when it goes up again, and then the same thing. So what you're doing is you're trying to make the actions, there I go up there, all match. Okay, so let's preview this. For when editing transitions like this, it's in the action, like you want it to be in the movement where your cut is, because that's where it's going to be the easiest. So you want to make sure that it looks realistic. So let's try this again. There's some that just don't feel right. That one's good. That one, you can tell like I held it too long up. So I gotta make sure it's like as I'm going up that I end it. Let's see, how does that look? This one's even. Let's double check on this one. I think I held this one too high up. So just as I'm going up. Yeah, there we go. If something doesn't feel right, just keep adjusting. I'm gonna adjust this one just so it's, let's see, maybe a little less. There we go. There we go. And then I can just cut the rest, the end, so it's till the end. So let's play that. So when doing the transitions, it's really about cutting on the action. And then another simple way, say I don't really want to add a transition, I just want to have different outfits. So it's going to be the same thing. So let's go here. Let's save that one as a draft and let's make a new one. So I'm going to do the same thing. I'm just going to record myself. So I'm going to add the timer, which is on the top. Set the timer. The reason I set the timer is that I don't have to hold down the button as I'm recording. I'm just going to adjust this light so it goes all the way on the ceiling. Let's see. There we go. It's just hitting the wall. That looks better. Okay. So same thing. I can just have my different outfits on and film maybe me just like walking up and starting my stuff or something. Okay, so I'm going to put on all the different outfits. So let's say, start with this blazer this time. So timer. There we go. And let's do the next outfit. You want to stand in the same place. If you're closer and further for each of the shots, it's going to look a lot different than if you're in the same spot. So it depends on the look you're going through. I suggest just trying to be in the same distance away from the camera. And a good way to do that, I'm just going to put on my timer here at the top corner first. And a good way to see that is with this align. So I can see the last clip of the last video. Let's take that out actually. Let's go to next. Let's just adjust this clip so that I'm in the position that I'm going to be. Because you can see there I moved forward. Because when you use the align tool, it's going to show you the last clip. So I'm going to go here. I'm going to go to add clips, set my timer, and I'm going to use my align tool so I know that I'm supposed to be about here and I can do something similar. So let's there we go. And let's add the last one. You can also indicate where you are on the floor. So you can just keep your feet in the same spot, or you can put a line on the floor so that you know where to stand next. So last outfit. I think for this one, I'm just gonna zip up the zipper. Put my timer on. Let's see. Or just undo it. Okay. That was pretty long. So once you have all your clips, then it's just a matter of going in and fine-tuning them once again. You can pause it, click on the clips, and then you can zoom in and out by pinching in and out on your timeline. And let's say I just want the, let's say it ends there. There we go. And now let's play that. So the main thing to decide is whether or not you're going to add a transition or you just want to cut a few clips together. A cut allows you to just do whatever you want and then put all the videos together. And then with the transition, you just have to keep in mind that you're going to have to do the transition at the end of one clip and at the beginning of the next clip so that they align well together. And that's a wrap. If you enjoyed this video, make sure you smash that like button, or better yet, subscribe. If you want to dive deeper, I have an amazing freebie that's going to transform your business. So download that now. And remember, messy action is always better than no action. Till next time, peace!